The way that it's quiet here, it's feeding my soul. If I don't say anything, it's just really peaceful. Basically, I just came here. It's like literally in the middle of nowhere. And I've never done anything like made food on the fireplace or anything like that. So my uncle showed me how to do it, and I'm just hoping that I remember everything. This is the first time I've actually talked ever since I came here. Just opening my mouth to say something has been tiring. There's like butterflies flying around. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, I could just watch everything for like a day or something. It almost looked like it was gonna rain like maybe an hour ago, but I think it's clearing up now. I think my nervous system is way more chill now. Apparently there is a pond maybe 2 to 3 kilometers out that has a really nice sandy beach. I don't have the map, I don't know the location, I only got told that there is one, so I think we have to go look for it. This is the road ahead. Guys, I found something. Okay, so this is cool. Oh my god, there's mosquitoes. There's definitely some swans here. I'm not sure if this is the one, but that's definitely water. I think that was really successful. I honestly thought like turning back already, but I'm really glad that I walked as far as I did. That felt really good. Can you see all the mosquitoes around me?